What's up, Jay? What are you reviewing? What's up, Rex? What are you reviewing?
Reviewing Business Law by Suarez.
So here we are in KFC P Campus Street. I am reviewing
You dumbass bitch.
Yeah, look, I'm wet. Look how wet I am. Sige lang.
Ay, nung buhok ko na pagpasensya nyo na.
We're falling jackass.
You're reviewing what? Tangina mo, pa-video-video ka pa. Ano, wet?
I'm fucking wet.
Gagawin naman sa libro?
Hindi.
Parang yun, natawa na.
I comment in the video. Look. Ayoko pa magpa-laundry. Wag kayo sa bago.
Tanga-tanga ni Makmak, pare. Tanga-tanga. At least it's not Coke.
Yeah, buti na lang water.
Hindi napansin.
I'm so stupid. I wanna cry.
Alamig.
It's so cold. I'm freezing. I can't believe what just happened to me.
He's now called the wet boy.
Oh shit.
Hi, wet boy. May I see how wet are you? How wet you are? Hindi halata para sa camera.
Ha?
Hindi halata.
Talaga. Tingnan.
Bobo.
Halata gago yun oh. You see the discoloration? This is wet. This is not wet. This is wet. This is not wet. Hindi mo makapaniwala sa nagawa ko. Tanginang tanga-tanga ko. Jake, what happened to me?
Nagulat niya.
Yeah, all of a sudden. When it rains, it pours.